What's the meaning of auction? Auction. Auction.
Auction. Auction. An auction is a process in which goods or services are sold to the highest bidder. The seller sets a starting price, and buyers bid against each other to win the item being sold. The auction ends when no more bids are made. The highest bidder wins the item, and is required to pay their winning bid to the seller. Auctions can be conducted in person, online or through other means. They are often used to sell valuable or rare items, as well as to liquidate assets in bankruptcy proceedings.